Hello, lads and gents. Welcome to another soccer game organized by United Tibetan Soccer Club. And welcome to my YouTube channel, Nawang Ludu. And today we have a final game between blue and red. And here's the referee in the middle and blue players discussing about their strategies. So are the red team. And here's the goalie, and here's the goalie. And both are ready, and here goes the whistle, touched by red. Here comes Norsang with his scarf on his forehead, and there's Sonaldo and Turchi. Here comes Norsang, and he's running from the right wing, and a great kick, and oh, that's a nice save from the goalie. And here comes Norsang, and he kicks with his right foot. And there's the goalie is ready. Oh no, it's on the bar. I thought it's goalie saved the goal, but not. It's on the bar here. And here comes the Turchi with his long kick to the left wing. The left winger with the ponytail. Here comes the red play. Oh, he misses the head. Who is it? It's Tenzin. He missed the red. And Norsang, here's Norsang again with his left foot. Long kick. And Sonaldo misses the kick. And here goes Sonaldo and the ponytail with the left wing. And he gives to the middle. Tenzin. He passes back to ponytail. Here comes. Here's the strike. Oh, missed it, but looks like it's a corner. And the corner. Oh no, who's this? Oh, great save by, who's this? Oh, what's this wearing? He looks like a Superman with his short cloak. And a great save by the goalie. And they are arguing about the goal went inside the line, and here comes throw from the blue. And the ponytail, what's his number? He's the number 1. And it goes to the guy without the number. And great save by the defender, number 21. And here comes Norsang again. He's running back. A great save by the defender without the number, but with the white cap. And they're fighting for the ball. Oh, he's running very slow, the blue. Turching with a great chest control. Great defending. Great heading. Back to Sonaldo with his black cap. Sonaldo is struggling to keep the ball on his foot, and it's the throw to red. Oh, he's jumping with the throw. Oh, great tackle by number 1. And here comes the blue in the middle. There's a Tenzin, and there's a Tenzin with the control. Oh, no. Oh, nice deceive. And here comes with the left foot. Oh, that's a goal. What a goal from Tenzin. Let's take a look again. And here comes the pass. Tenzin with his first touch. Austria was unable to control, but what a great skill by Tenzin. And here comes the left foot, and here comes the kick. Oh, what a goal. Oh, goalie could have saved, but it was little high above his fingers. And there comes the celebration with Tenzin. Tenzin number 2 with his great left foot. And what a score. Here comes Norsang in the middle. Oh, Norsang. Oh, Norsang is running. He's trying to score, and a great defending by Turchin. It should be out. Looks like not. And here comes the Superman with his red cloak. Here comes Jarawanda. And here comes the blue. Here comes the Tenzin, the only scorer in the game so far. And here comes runs from the right side. And a great defending by Jarawanda. Here comes the Jarawanda with the skill. He's dribbling. Sonaldo, he tried to flick it, but he misses it. And here's another struggle with, oh, great defending by, who's this? Oh, what a miss. The ball tricked him. The ball was shorting, so he misjudged it. And here comes a Superman. A great defending by number 8, but he gave it up. Oh, what a skill by Superman. Oh, that's a fall. Oh, there's no fall from the referee. There's no whistle. The game is on. And he comes with the black cap. And here comes the Superman again. Oh, he taken off his cap. Oh. Almost on goal. Here comes a Norsang. Norsang is everywhere with his blue scarf on his forehead. I mean green scarf on his head. Here comes a left foot kick. Oh, a great defending. Here comes the Superman. He's running, charging. Oh, great defending. Oh, yeah, the same team. They're fighting for the same ball with the same team. Oh, Sonaldo, he will kick it. Oh, that was outside. Chabada. He couldn't control it. Jayawanda. Here comes the Tenzin, the only scorer. Here comes the blue shirt without a number. Straight to the goalie. Here comes the Superman again. I see he's trying to get a long kick. Here comes a long shot. Here comes a Tenzin. Tenzin, oh, there's a handball. Oh, there's no whistle. Oh, there's a fall again. Oh, Norsang is fighting really hard. Yeah, Sonaldo is running, so is Turchin. And that was out. Here comes a Turchin kick. Ooh. Here comes a Norsang again. He's everywhere. This guy's, oh, he's trying to shot it, but he couldn't. Oh, there was a pose. What a try from Red. Here comes the Tenzin again. Oh. Here comes the goal kick. Here comes the heading. But he misjudged it. Here comes Tenzin and Sonaldo fighting for the same ball. Oh, there's nice defending from Superman. He's running, he's charging. Oh, he still got the ball. I thought it was out. No. Oh, he tried to show some skills, but it was handball. No whistle from the referee. Oh, the guy is calling for handball, but there's no whistle from the referee. Here comes the Norsang again. He's shot with the left foot, but great defending. Here comes the Tenzin. Is the man on? They said. Chandana is running from the behind. It's a good pass. Who is this? This comes in the blue with here. Tenzin got the ball. Oh, nice defending. Oh, that was a close call, but I would say it's a good defending. Here goes. Oh, Norsang. Superman. Oh, he scores the goal. Wow. Let's take a look again. Here comes Norsang with his right foot and the left foot. Oh, did he pass it or he's trying to dribble? But it looks like a great pass. Here comes Superman with his shot. Oh, good dive from the goalie, but he couldn't save it. Here comes the celebration. Here's the Norsang and the Superman. Norsang is trying to clean his nose. What a relief. Here's Zangawan Turchin. Here comes the cross, but the great defending. Here comes the Sonaldo. The defending. Here comes the blue. Here comes the Norsang. This is number 21. Trying to say. Oh, good defending from the white cap. Jayawanda, number 18. Great skill. Oh, great. It's a great pass. He's running in. Oh, could have scored it. Did he score? Oh, no. Great defense. Oh, Sonaldo. Oh, he misses again. What a miss from Sonaldo. Here comes the Turchin kick. Here's the blue shirt without a number. Oh, great cross to the left winger ponytail. Great control, great dribbling. Let's see what he can do. Here comes the blue. Great control. Oh, he slipped it. Could have been a great pass, but he slipped. It should be out. No, but Superman is everywhere. The second scorer. The score is now 1-1. Sonaldo with the head control. He's trying to dribble, pass it. But he missed the pass. There was no enough power. Here comes the Turchin. Here comes the Tenzin. Oh, this guy Superman is everywhere. Throw in from the blue. The ponytail and Sonaldo. Here comes the Superman. The ponytail number 1. Oh. It was too much dribble. He could have passed it. Here comes the goalie. Goal kick. Okay. Here comes the Tenzin. Oh, he slipped it. Nice pass to the Tenzin. Oh, what a defending, what a skill from the defender with the back heel. Jayawanda, great skill, great dribbling. Oh, nice pass, missed it, everybody. Oh, Norsang misses too. Hey! That was crazy. Great save. Okay, fist bump. What a nice save from the goalie. Here comes the Turchin kick. Blue shirt without the number. He should pass it now. It's too late. Okay, Ponytail in the ball. They're calling for handball, but there's no whistle from the referee. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's good they're gonna do. The score is 1-1. Somebody should score another goal to lead. Otherwise, this is the final game, so we will go to the penalty shootout. Then what a skill from the penalty. Okay, Turchin trying to control the ball, but he missed it. He got the ball back, and what a shot. Okay, let's run number 8. Oh, he couldn't control it, but he was a good control from the outside. Okay, red ball, red. Okay, the referee called for 2 more minutes left in the final game. Okay, let's see. He almost tipped over. Okay, here comes the Norsang control. Oh no, Norsang fell down. He tripped over. But what a recovery from Norsang. Let's take a look again. Oh shit, that was a crazy fall, but Blue was too late to take the advantage and win the ball. But Norsang, great recovery from Norsang. He dribble. He gonna score. Let's see. Oh no, this is Ronaldo and the Blue. Okay, let's see now what they're gonna do in the final minute. Let's see. Tenzin, here comes the Tenzin. He's gonna score again, or he's gonna shoot. He's gonna pass. Let's see what's gonna do. He shot it. Oh, what was Blue Shirt doing? He could have scored that, but he just ignored the ball. Okay, Jayanar, what a great control from the chest and a great control. Okay. This guy is laughing at Jayanar for his skills. Okay, the referee is calling for the last out. Okay, somebody, who is this? This is a guy with a red shirt on his head. I've never seen this before. Okay, that's it. Now it's the penalty shootout. The score is 1-1. What a game. Here comes the Blue. Okay, with the number 8. At least you could have taken out the cap. Let's see what's gonna do. Wow, what a save from the goalie. Wow, nice save. And now the red one, but he's taking off his red shirt. Referee is calling for wait for the whistle. He changed the ball. Let's see what's he gonna do. The goalie is ready, so is the kicker. Oh, what a shot, what a goal. What a goal, right in the corner. Here comes the Turchin from the Blue. Let's see oh, what a shot from the Turchin in the left corner of the goalie. Here comes the Ronaldo. So if he scores, it's going to be 1-0. 1 lead by the red. And the goalie is ready, so is Ronaldo. Here comes, he's going to shoot. Oh, it was a good shot, but goalie couldn't do nothing. Okay, referee is calling the red is leading by 1 goal. Here comes the Blue shirt. Number 8, he's okay. Goalie is ready. So is the kicker. Oh, what a nice kick! What a dive from the goalie. Now here comes the Norsang. This guy is everywhere. Norsang is ready. So is the goalie. Let's see where's Norsang's gonna shoot. Left or right? Let's see. Norsang is running in. Oh, straight! Wow! I could have never guessed it. Now here comes the Ponytail. He's taking off his shirt. Yeah, it's really hot today. For the past few days, the weather in New York City is really hot. So is humid. Okay, goalie is ready. He's stretching his wings. He's gonna shoot. Oh, nice kick in the right corner. Okay, they're calling for we are winning. This is a red goal now. Red kicker. And this guy is gonna, I don't know where he's gonna get shoot. Left or right. The goalie is ready. Let's see. Here comes. Oh, nice save from the goalie with his left foot. And fist one from the Turchin to the goalie. Now comes the Tenzin, the scorer from the Blue shirt. Number 2. Goalie is ready. He's stretching his wings. Let's see where he's gonna shoot. He has a bottle in his hand. Let's see. Oh, nice goal. See, the score is equal now, I think. 1-1. The goal is ready. Number 21 is ready. Here comes the kick. Oh, nice goal. Goalie could have saved it. It looks like he had a touch on his fingers. Now comes a great defender with his white cap and the water bottle in his hand. He got 2 balls. Let's see which one he's going to choose. He's choose the other one. He's ready. So is the goalie. Goalie is ready. Here comes again, goalie. Oh, he could have saved it, but what a celebration from the defending blue shirt. Now here comes the Superman. He's taking off his red cloak. Now here's another one. I don't know. Is this his sock or shirts? Looks like a socks. Here comes. Oh! I thought he saved it, but no. It went inside. Now comes the blue. See, now they're counting who's left. But sure, this guy is left. The blue, I remember him. The blue shirt without the number. See, goalie is ready. So is the kicker. Let's see. Oh, straight kick. Oh, nice save from the goalie. Dang. Now Janwada is ready. Janwada is showing his six packs, but we couldn't see it. Only his back. He goes away. I don't know why. He's calling for somebody else. Okay, number 22. Here comes the number 22. They're taking a lot of time. Goalie is looking at the ball. Number 22 is stretching, and he's running in. Let's see. Oh, there was a sloppy from the goalie. Okay, looks like this is the final kick. If he misses, red wins. Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, nice save from the goalie. Yeah, the red wins and the blue lost. What a goalie, what a save. That's all from today. Have a good day. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.